Alright guys, what's going on? Today we got an unboxing of the East Coast mystery bag for giveaway number 12, where East Coastin is giving away a 2025 CVO Road Glide ST and a 2005 Dyna Lowrider. So, you know, no affiliation with East Coastin whatsoever. Bought this with my own money. I want to say a past giveaway, I don't remember if it was giveaway 11 or giveaway 10, but they did a duffel bag, and I wish I had got the duffel bag and went back and forth on like, oh, do I want to get it, do I not want to get it, you know, is it going to be worth the money? And then, you know, they were sold out of them, so I missed the duffel bag one. This one here is a backpack one. You know, I know some guys got Jordans and jerseys and stuff. I have backpacks and motorcycles. You know, I like getting backpacks. You never know what you're going to want to bring, when or where, so kind of a sucker for it. So I figured I've always been curious, like, what's in this stuff. You know, I paid, see, I'm in Georgia, so with Georgia taxes and everything, I think it came out to be like $160, $170, if I remember right. And, you know, they say that it's valued at $225, maybe give or take a little bit more. And then each box, I think they throw cash in each box as well. So yeah, without making this take way too long, let's bust out the trusty Milwaukee and go ahead and open it and see what we got. You know, I mean, you don't get to choose the backpack color, and you just tell them the shirt size. So I told them a 2X. So let's see what's in here. Remember, kids, cut away from you so you don't hurt yourself. Uh-oh. You can tell it's my first time doing an unboxing hunt. Alright, so let's see here. Uh-oh. We got $1. That's cool. Looks like we got an East Coastin sticker. I'm just going to kind of set this stuff on the table. East Coastin hat. Got a hoodie. That's legit. Let's see, here's the t-shirt. It says "Raised by the Road" on the back. And then the backpack, got the black one, which that's cool because I want to say there was what, black, brown, blue, and khaki, if I remember correctly, like, you know, your desert camo or whatever. So looks like a good, decent size bag. Waist and shoulder straps are on it. Clips for it to expand out when you fill it full of stuff. So, yep. Yeah. Pretty decent. You know, would I buy another one considering the hoodie cost and the t-shirt and the hat? The bag's pretty nice too. Opens up, clamshell. Zipper one up here. I'm not sure if that's in frame or not, but you have the pouches on the back side or inside. I don't see a like a padded laptop part. Well, now there's Yeah, you got back here in the back, maybe a 15-inch monitor or something. But yeah, cool. So backpack, shirt, hoodie, hat, sticker, and $1. So that's what's in the mystery box. Up to you guys to decide if it's worth it or not, but you know, I've always been curious about what comes in them and if they're worth the money or not. You know, for 170 bucks, you know, I'm happy with the purchase. So, you know, I mean, it's all relative, right? But yeah, there you go. Whoever wins the CVO and the lowrider, you know, congratulations. Hope the winner enjoys the bike, and hope maybe y'all find this useful for their future giveaways when they do the mystery bags or the drops again, because I'm pretty sure they'll keep doing them. So, but yep, thanks for tuning in. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you in the next one.